Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. My name is Prince and you are watching the Tech Stream. Instagram releases a lot of features and it's very obvious to miss some of those. In this video, I'm going to show you some amazing, cool and new Instagram tips and tricks. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Starting off the list, the first trick that we have is green screen stories. Green screen stories is a new and very interesting filter where you can have a green screen as a background. To access this filter, go to your story and swipe left until you reach this greenish icon. And now when you select it, you can see a green screen added in your background. Now here comes the interesting and fun part. You will see a little add media icon here at the bottom. Tap on this add media icon and it will open up your gallery. Select any of the photos you want to choose as your background and the photo will be added in your story as background. How cool is that? And this filter is also really helpful if you want to reply to comments or maybe want to show something to your followers while speaking. And you can also add video as a background. So you can do a lots of things with this filter, just get creative and have fun. Now the second trick is how to make a story collage on Android. So Instagram is way better on iOS and has a lot of extra features. One of them being is able to put two or more photos in a story and make a collage. And this feature is not possible in Android till now. So I am going to show you a workaround on how you can do that on Android. First thing you need to do is you need to install Microsoft Swift keyboard. And now let's open up Instagram and go to stories. Select a picture from your gallery and resize it. And now single tap on the story, it will open up the text options with your keyboard. Now on the keyboard you have to select the GIF option and tap on this little pin item in the bottom right corner. And after that tap on the little camera icon on the top right of the keyboard and select the picture you want to add as a collage. And here you have it, a collage on Instagram story on Android. And the fun part is you can add as many pictures as you want, so have fun with this workaround. Now the third trick is InstaView. If you want to see somebody's Instagram story anonymously without letting them know, then this trick is for you. All you need to do is open up and load Instagram, and when all the stories load up, turn off your Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now see the story you wanted to see, and last step will be to exit from Instagram and clear Instagram from the recent apps. Mind this that clearing Instagram from recent apps is very important or else this trick will not work. And now just turn your Wi-Fi and mobile data on. That's it, you have seen somebody's story and they'll not know about it and you'll not be counted in their view list. Now if you don't want to do so much work, there's one easier method also. There's a website called instastories.ru. I'll give a link in the description below. Just go to the website, type in the username and view any of their stories anonymously. Now let's come to the fourth trick, comment pinning. This is also a new feature on Instagram where you can pin a comment on your post and it will be pinned to the top of your comment section and it will always be shown on top when someone is scrolling through that image or your Instagram feed. Now to pin a comment, simply go to your comment section of the photo or video and long press on the comment you want to pin. You will see three little icons on the top right corner. You will have to press the little pin icon and your comment is now pinned to the top. And now every time someone comes across your profile and they are going through your feed, they will see this amazing comment that has been pinned to the top of your picture. Now coming to the fifth trick, that is vanish mode. Instagram has copied the very popular feature from Telegram called the disappearing messages. Not the very first time Instagram and Facebook has copied something. Let's not go that way. Yeah, so disappearing messages on Instagram is called vanish mode. In vanish mode, when you send a message to somebody, it will vanish and be deleted as soon as the person reads the message and closes the app. And Instagram doesn't keep a log of messages sent in vanish mode. To access the vanish mode, go to the chat windows, then swipe up and hold. It will open up the vanish mode chat window. I personally use vanish mode if I need to send some sensitive and critical info to someone and I don't want Instagram to have a log of it. So after sending the message, just swipe up again and you are back to normal chat. Also, one important thing to notice is that the messages will stay in vanish mode till the other person has read the message. And if you always want to chat in vanish mode and want to make it as your default chat mode, Then don't close the vanish mode windows after sending a message, and now whenever you will come back, your chat will still be in vanish mode. Now coming to the final trick of the video, that is Instagram Assistant Chrome extension. Instagram is a mobile only application and it doesn't let you upload photos or videos from your PC directly. That might not be a problem for many people, but for someone like me who edits all the photos and videos on a PC, it's a very tedious task to transfer all the files to the mobile app and then upload them on Instagram. We also have a Facebook Creator Studio for that, but it's not very good and still needs a lot of development. To solve this problem, we have Insist. Insist is a web client for Instagram that runs in a Chrome browser. So basically it's a Chrome extension and it lets you control a lot of things on your account from a Chrome browser. You can do a lot of things using Insist, like posting photos, videos or even stories directly from your laptop or PC. You can also send or reply to DMs, and it also lets you schedule your Instagram posts. To upload a photo or video, select the plus icon and then click on the photo/video and just select the video and photo you want to upload. Click next. Write a caption for your photo and Insist also suggests some relevant hashtags for your photo. You can also add location or tag people and then just share on Instagram. For me personally, this extension was really helpful. The only feature this extension still lacks is you can't directly upload Instagram Reels from here. I hope that gets added really soon. So these were some cool and amazing Instagram tips and tricks for this year. I'll make another video if I find some more tips and tricks and hacks in the later part of the year. So that's it for this video. Hopefully you liked the video. Smash the like button if you did. Comment down if you want a part 2 of this Instagram tips and tricks video. Subscribe to the channel for more tech videos. Thank you for watching.